Seventh, question number 7. Create a playbook by name called roles.yml and deploy previously created roles. This is something which is very important. I've been requesting all for all gentlemen out there that you need to follow certain order in the question paper. Each question from the beginning has interdependency. If you don't do the former one, the later one does not work. So if you
Okay.
have not done this successfully, say for example, the seventh one will not work. Now, what did we do in the sixth one? We have only created a role in the workstation, in the controller node. We have not deployed those roles. Seventh question is to deploy that roles on the managed node, whatever is mentioned here. Okay. So how to do that? Yeah. A balancer role to be deployed in balancer group. PHP role to be deployed on dev group. He wants you to do that. Also, once you successfully deploy that particular playbook, he will give us a couple of hyperlinks. Surya, Martin, In, and Bharen. He will give us two links for each role. Once the successfully when you execute this playbook, he will give one hyperlink. If you click, and it will pop up one more window, one more browser, and if you refresh every couple of seconds, it'll pop up between. It'll just switch between two IP addresses to show you that it's working. The load balancer is working, and he'll also give you one soft hyperlink. When you click, it'll pop up one more browser window, and it'll give you a PHP welcome window. That's how you validate
Mhm.
whether our roles have been properly deployed or not in the exam. Surya, am I clear in this, please? Hello. He has left.
So tell me.
Yeah, if they will for this very question, create playbook for the roles which you created just now, the previous one.
Yep.
After you create a successful playbook and then you fire it for each group, that is each question, that is part A, part B, he'll give two soft links, hyperlinks. Okay,
Okay.
Surya. And if you click that
Yes.
hyperlink under balancer role, that will open up one more window for your browser. And in that browser, if you refresh like this, every couple of seconds, if you refresh, it will pop up between two, it will switch between two IP addresses. Point that
Okay.
is the validation whether your balancer, role got deployed or not successfully. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
There'll be one more hyperlink under PHP role. If you click, it will open up one more window. If you and it'll that particular window will show you the welcome page of PHP if you have deployed the particular PHP role successfully through a playbook in the exam. All right. Here I
Okay.
may not be able to show you, but that's what you need to do in the exam. But I'll be able to deploy the roles as for the question, but I may not be able to show you the load balancer in the PHP welcome page. All right. So let me deploy this question. Martin, am I clear with this, please?
Yes.
Martin and
Yes,
in.
yes, clear.
Yeah. So vi roles.yml. So he wants me to create a playbook. Name, play to deploy the previous roles. So hosts, it'll be all here. And then you will say tasks hyphen name. I'll use here collection. The collection uses Ansible dot built in and name colon play to no execute execute a balancer role on balancer group. So we'll have here include underscore no import underscore role. Yeah, remember I told you import underscore role has the ability to use when condition. Name you have balancer and we'll write when condition here when inventory underscore Host name in group is balancer. And next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 YY, paste it, execute PHP role, PHP info on dev group. We're going to use here PHP info dev. That's all. Don't use include, use import. Import has the ability to bring the contents of the task into the task and then use when condition. All right, no issues. PHP info. So once you're done, Ansible hyphen navigator run roll hyphen m std out hyphen f syntax check. So in the exam, you have to do exactly what I've done. The only difference is that once you successfully execute to what I'm doing, you will be given two hyperlink. I'm concluding two hyperlinks. If you need to validate your whether your roles have been properly deployed, he will give two hyperlinks. If you click the first one, it will pop up one more browser window. If you keep refreshing, it will switch between two IP addresses. That is where you will be able to understand, oh, the balancer role has been properly deployed. There will be one more link which will, if you click under PHP role, it'll pop up one more browser window, and the one particular window will show you a PHP welcome page with one database, in the sense welcome page. If that comes to you, that means the both roles 6th and 7th has been successfully executed. Am I clear in this, please? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear.